Here I have Samsung Galaxy F13, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button power saving. By tapping it once you can switch this mode by holding your finger, and you can access some of its settings. For example, you can limit CPU speed to 70%, you can decrease brightness by 10%, and you can also limit apps on home screen. But this is like this is another mode. This is not the same as the power saving mode. It's called like ultra saving mode or something like that, super saving mode. So yeah, so you can basically just switch it here, and yeah, and that's it, I guess. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.